Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong mentakasngi ka khandai tarik nok pra arjar pesau kala penlong daga jingpen khot ya ka polis bazar halor ka thong ban penlong ya ka nong ba ka ba khot bat ban penlong kum ka nong ba ka balat na ki jingpen jabo lagi plastik habayok ban ekran bat ki nong tho khobor ka sangai leima General Secretary jong ka MECS kala penshai bala penlong ya ka jingpen khot lingba ka jingyo i ba ka nong ba Shillong ka de ka nong ba ka ba paunam ka ba bun ki ba wan jingok kai bat ka polis bazar lo ni ka khandai lan kadega jaka bagi nongwan pet kai ki juya lumlang kaleima kala ongru balingba kani ka jingpenlong ya ka cleaning drive ki kermen bakan wan ra ka jingpha ya ka jela ka thong jongka kalong banyada ban penitana ya ka nong ba Shillong ban pentikna bagi nongwan pet kai ki net phai lingba ki khubor ki ba bha bat ki jingsa jingken mau ki ba sngutana ya ka nong ba Shillong.
Today, we, the members of Manipuri Elders Consortium Shillong, has organized a cleanliness drive at Khandailat, Shillong. We organized this program in the perspective that Shillong is a tourist place and Khandailat being the main attraction and the main gathering of the tourists, we thought that it would be a nice contribution from our part, from the Manipuri Elders Consortium, to keep the area clean and green. So our main aim for conducting this cleanliness drive is to make Shillong clean, green, and to make the people coming to Shillong have a good impression and a good memory of the clean Shillong. Thank you.
Today's our cleaning drive is organized by MECS, all the members of MECS. We have done a very good cleaning drive today in the morning 6:30, and the main aim of our cleaning drive is just to maintain the cleanliness around Shillong, and this is the hub of the tourist hub. At the same time, to maintain good health, and also the look more clean and look nice. And top of that, this is Scotland of the Northeast. So we should maintain this thing. So we support by all MECS members.